Hi, hello and welcome to NutriTrack. Today let's see about a very healthy and a very South Indian drumstick. Drumstick has very less calories but good amounts of protein and fiber. It has less fat and good amount of vitamin C, which is 4 times more than oranges and 2 times more than papayas. In today's recipe, we are going to use cashews along with drumstick, which is a very rare combination. Many avoid cashews because it's high in fat and cholesterol, but the fact is that it has 75% of heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. It is rich in vitamin K and it is also rich in many vitamins and minerals, which helps in strengthening our immune and the nervous system. Now let's check out this simple yet a traditional delicacies of my home, drumstick cashew curry or drumstick cashew poriyal. A tasty side dish for rice in a lunch menu is ready. Now let's check out the nutritive value. It is rich in protein and fat and it's low in carbohydrates, and it is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and as well calcium. Regular intake of this vegetable provides a lot of health benefits too. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to NutriTrack for more nutritious recipes and information. Stay healthy with NutriTrack.